What's up, YouTube? This is 2Kicks. I got a special one for you today. We've got an unboxing of something that I have been really anticipating quite a lot for a long time, and I'll let you guys see what we got here. So I just got this delivered just a few minutes. Take a look at what we've got. See the box. Got this from StockX. Let's get into this bad boy. Now, I don't know if you can tell by the box what this is, but this is the Nike Mind. I'm really excited. I've been waiting on these for a long time. So here's the box. You can kind of see what the outside looks like. You've got all the pressure point little nodes that are on there. Nike Mind on the side. Size 10. I did have to get these through StockX. I tried to get them on the day of their release, but was not lucky enough to hit on sneakers. So went ahead and bit the bullet and got them on StockX, and let's take a look at them here. Kind of cool paper. The same print. And there they are. I like the look. What I'm really excited about is how they feel. I will have to give these a wear, and we'll have to do a review on them here soon. But yeah, that's how they look. I do like them. I've just been told that the way they feel is just incredible, and you can really get these little nodes that are on the bottom. Yeah, it's incredible. You can even feel it, like, I don't know if you can see that. They really move independently. And I think they all do that. So you can, what I've gathered, you can, when you're wearing them, feel all of the different textures of what the surface that you're walking on. So excited to try these on and see what they feel like, what they look like. Talk about them soon. Thanks for watching.